All right, guys. So welcome to today's video. So I'm going to share with you guys the exact thing I did to earn over $200, 200 plus in just 24 hours. Just promoting a product. You can see 60 seconds traffic, 60-second traffic. So I promoted it recently, and I generated over $200 in just 24 hours in one day. So and it's very simple. All I did was, there are actually many ways you can use to drive traffic to your offers and earn affiliate sales, but there's just one that works very perfect and it's evergreen. And if you focus on it, you work on it, you can always get results with it. And that's what I want to share with you. So my name is John Anavio. In case you are new to my channel, there's a link to my Facebook profile. So in case you have a question for me, you can connect with me on Facebook. Contact me on Facebook. Let's connect together so we can talk together. So um, let's get into what I have for you guys today. So how I went about to earn this $200 is just very simple. It's very simple. I know you might have heard about it. It's about an email list. If you're going to be an email marketer or an affiliate marketer, you need to have your own email list, and that's what I actually did to get that result. So you can see, and I have a very tiny list. I've always had a very tiny list, and this list, they are my buyers, they are people who have bought my products, and these are my foreign audience, and this is my local audience, this is my Nigerian audience. So this two lists is what makes me money over and over again. All these guys inside this list, they bought my products. Yes, they all bought my product. I didn't. I used to delete. I give out free stuffs as well, but then I go on to delete them. On the long run, I delete them, and then I keep only my buyers in my email list. So I mailed these guys. So let me show you the emails I sent out. If I come over here, then I click on email marketing. So you're going to see 90 seconds traffic. So this is the exact people I was mailing. I only made my online monthly income list. So this is my recent promotion alpha. WhatsApp from Belida, video creator from Popuna, Zodiac from Zabuni, and then let me see if I can find the crypto PRR, master rights, and then okay, so you can see this is 60 seconds traffic. So you can see I sent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I scheduled about 9 emails. This is I think April 2nd. So you can see from April 1 to April 4th, I sent out these emails and I generated all these sales on this. So you can see. So if you're going to get success with affiliate marketing, all you need is you build a buyer list, you build a very good buyer list that you can always mail over and over and over again. And to build a buyer list is very easy. You have to create your own product, you launch your own product, you sell your own products. When you sell your products, then you get people into your email list, and then from there you begin to promote other people's products to them, and then you're going to start getting easy conversions. People are going to buy your products and they're going to get your offer. Okay, let me click on this so you can actually see that it's real because who would think it's this thing, it's fake. Okay, so I've just refreshed. So now it's showing me only pending, only pending. So you can see that click here. So available in 1 days, available in 1 day. So all these ones are going to clear tomorrow. They're going to clear tomorrow. So that's just about that. So I want to give you access to my email marketing course. Yes. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, I explain everything inside my course. Yes, everything inside Overnight Pro Marketer. This is my email marketing course. You will learn everything from scratch, how to start with affiliate marketing, how to set up your own squeeze page, build your own email lists, write your own newsletters, a lot of things you're going to learn inside, and they are in-depth, very in-depth from scratch, and it comes with case studies, examples that you can follow step by step and see how I even started any commissions with free traffic. So there's a link under this video. Click on that link. You're going to get access to this training. It's actually worth, I think, 15,000, 15,000. But right now, I'm doing a crazy discount, a very big, crazy, massive discount. So just click on the link under this video. You will see a paystack link /OPM. Click on the link and then it will take you to the payment page. Once you make payments, reach out to me on Facebook or wherever it directs you. Then you get access to this members area. Everything, even you can see you're gonna get future updates on latest things happening or that have been implementing. You're gonna get it inside here. So go ahead. I don't want to take much of your time, just 5 minutes. Go ahead and then grab my affiliate marketing course. You get everything in depth right from scratch for you to start crushing affiliate marketing like a pro. Just 2,999 naira only. So go ahead before I take it to the normal price. Thank you and bye bye.